We're going to take this project board, and my idea is I sketched out on this clipboard, and we're going to make a photo shoot box, a simple box, but I'm sure I could complicate it. Let's get started. The first thing that we're going to do is take our project board and cut it into 4 equal parts. Okay, so here's my thought right here. We're gonna make the back removable. We're gonna be able to slide it in and out for different colors or different themes. So we're gonna cut a groove 1 inch in on the top and both sides. Okay, we're gonna do 3/8 of an inch. There we go, that's it. 3rd time's a charm. Compressed cardboard I have, I'm going to use for the back, but I'm going to widen up the slot just so it's easy to slide in and out. Let's check it out. Nice. Last thing you want to do is ruin this piece every time you switch it out. Got all 3 sides cut. The only way to pull this out, I need to cut this back to the front of this groove. So that'll be on this one 10 7/8. Now we need to drill some pocket holes here, 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 here. I want to take this measurement right now inside here. Clamps aren't helping. 22 3/8. So I'm going to cut about a 2.5 inch block. We're going to sand all the pieces. Oh, that's old. We're going to sand all the pieces first so we don't have to do it once it's put together. So if you're using a project board like me, I like to fill in all the gaps with putty, nail holes, screw holes, and I had a couple splits too, so that's what we're doing. Okay, so now it's time to cut the back panel, and the width on mine is, I'll go 22.5. Can't put it back on, right? By 24.5. Trim off a 1/4 inch. All right, let's see if you could hear it fall down. Huh? All right, let me show you. I need to put a hole right there so I can lift it up. Don't want to slam it. It's just cardboard, press board. Finger hole, what, 3/4 of an inch? Okay, here's the paint I'm using. It's a flat primer and paint, because inside your box, you don't want a gloss, any sheen, eggshell, semi-gloss, or gloss, because it's going to reflect light. It's going to mess up your photo. So I'm using flat on the whole box. So I'm going to be painting here for about the next couple hours. And I know you don't want to sit there and watch me do that. So I'll start with you right here. And oh, here we go. We'll see you on the flip side. I lied. I'm back. I'm just going to put the first coat on, and then I'm going to come back with the second coat and make sure all the brush strokes are going the same way. Now you don't have to do this, but I like to sand in between coats with flat paint for a smooth finish for the final coat. Okay, this is the back panel. I'm gonna paint white on one side and black on the other. So you have options. Okay, I'm gonna use these soft feet right here, Soft Touch. I've never used this brand, but they have them at Lowe's, Home Depot, and Ace Hardware, Walmart. You can buy these just about anywhere. What did I say I was gonna go with? Finger size, 3/4 inch. That bit, oh, you can cut the cardboard. Now we're gonna put the lighting in the top of the box. So I flipped the box upside down and I measured 3 spots, just centered them in between the handle and the middle and just left and right. These are the lights I'm using. I ordered them off of Amazon. I've never had them before. I've had similar ones, but not these ones. Come with 6 lights, 2 remotes, screws to mount these, which we're gonna do. They're nice little double-sided tape right here. They're pretty big, but I wanna make sure they stay on. We're putting them in with the screws. Let me show you the lights. 3 AAAs, and they have all different colors. And on the remote, you could do all kinds of things. Turn them all on, turn them one on, whatever you want to do, they'll work for you. So that's why I bought them. A pack of screws, I'm gonna open them up and put them right here. There's 2 packs, there's one in the box still. Okay, so this base plate stays here and you just twist these off and on, so that's kind of nice. I found out with these little tiny screws, it's better to get a hole started. A little 1/4 turn. That's it. We're gonna add some bling for the handle. Check that out. You have your white background. You have your black background.